Well, hello fellas, it's your old buddy Rick Wilson, OAM Garage, and OAM Garage 2. I think I've got a total of 11 people that are subscribed to OAM 2. Don't you want to be 12? I don't know. Anyway, if I don't get more than this, I'm just going to do away with that channel. But it's a good channel. You ought to go over there and watch it anyway, all right? Instead of just, well, I'm gonna do both of them. This is both channels, and I'm just going to be wishing y'all a happy New Year. Today is New Year's Eve, and I hope you have a good one. We're gonna do some stuff. Looks like, you know, looks like we ought to be able to grab our hats and just hold on for the next year because you know, we got some good folks up there in Washington now, or some of them. All we got to do is weed out the bad ones. That's what we're trying. All right. So y'all hang around. I believe if he makes it, if he's still alive at the end of the 4 years, I think we're gonna be. I think we're gonna be a whole lot better. But I wouldn't wish any ill will on anybody. I'm telling you, I think he's gonna do well. So I just found out that I ain't got any brakes in my Bronco. I was gonna fix it, but you got to have some special tools and training to do that. So I decided I'm gonna give that up. Plus, I've got 3 or 4 or 5 things that recall deals on my Bronco, so I got to get all that done and let somebody else do it. But what do you do, right? I don't know. I'm gonna work on this thing right here. That's what I'm gonna do this whole year. I'm gonna work on this, and I'm gonna make a commitment. You're gonna see me drive this thing away from him. That's right. So you got to tune in to see if I'm driving it yet, right? I am. I'm gonna do it. Anyway, Happy New Year. Hope y'all have a good one. And you know what? I love you. Don't litter. I've seen a lot of litter lately. I don't like litter. So don't litter, all right? All right, then, bye.